assume all religions are the same. Oga, when I there made the same thing. The root of what you're doing is Jesus Christ, a fictional tale or good for you, whatever. The root of what I do is that the day that I was born, the people at the Madinabu, my father and my mother, Igana Fana, Agwagi Ebano Eba Izugi, Ebe Chigisi. You might be a male and your chi can be from your mother's side. Your Ikenga can be from a different place. Agwagi Ebe ano Eba Izugi, Agwagi Ebe Isi Webido. When I had them made the same thing. Igbo into religion. Igbo spirituality. All religions are the same. Waiting concern me with what you do and your God or whatever. Like, the root of what I do is that I talk to my spirit, me now, my chi, me baby Alusipalu, chi boeza. No, I talk to my chi. I talk to the chi of the people that created me, that created the body for this reincarnating, this spirit we don't come here several times. We give me the body where I usually do this current or where I come from, either my mom's or my pop's side. If you go after, they will tell you which one will be. I did talk to the spirit of both my mom's and my pop's. I did talk to my maternal spirit, Omo from my maternal home. I did talk to Ndiichie from my maternal home. I did talk to their Momma family, Momma Medifa. I did talk to him. I did talk to the same thing. I did talk to the Ndiichie, the ancestors from my papa side, this my side, now right? I did talk to Ada from this my Nana, Ogbonauke. I did talk to, like, these are spirits. I did talk to the Mili from this side. I did talk to the Mo from this side. I don't even go too far. I don't even try to understand more Babi, all these other tales where me now where me now I know fit relate to. I know they even think all those long juju chuku. I know waiting those people be. The chuku way I fit see now this universe now way abundance. You know what I'm saying? Where if I align with this spirit now way anisino normalo mapubanilo. If I align with my chi, good life, not good moods. If I align with my people, deben saw each of these spirits where I they align to. Good life, not good moods. Abundance, adelum, mona chukwe demma. I don't know about all these tales of Asige Mbwanu Aro Confederacy. I don't know shit about those. I know they religious. I dey about my spirit where I know, where me now know. You dig? So, in Kukwa, all religions are the same. Bro, me and you are there and made the same thing. Me and you know they do the same thing. You know even know the root of what you they do. You just wake up, adopt one more like that.